New MiniMax Design is crazy good. Today's video is about SEO, and a new AI tool just dropped that could change how you make content that ranks. It's called MiniMax Design. Let's talk about it. Today, I'm going to show you a new AI tool that makes video content way easier to create, and it might change how you do content for SEO forever. It's brand new, it's easy to try, and it's stupid simple to use. Stick around because this could save you hours every single week. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So let's talk about SEO for a second. If you do SEO, you know content is king. Google wants fresh content. Google wants video content. Google wants content that keeps people on the page. But making video content takes forever. You need a script, you need images, you need actual video, you need sound, you need to edit it all together. That's 5 or 6 tools just to make one video. This new tool tries to fix that. It's called MiniMax Design, and it's built on a new model called MiniMax H3. Here's the easy way to think about it. H3 is the engine, design is the car, H3 does the thinking, design is where you actually build stuff. So what does H3 do? It can look at text, pictures, video, and sound all at the same time. Then it makes a video with sound built right in. Not silent video you add sound to later. The sound comes with it. It can make videos up to 15 seconds long. It can go up to 2K quality. That's sharper than regular HD. And it works in different video shapes too. So you can make it fit YouTube or fit a short or fit whatever platform you're posting to. Now here's why this matters for SEO. Google is pushing video hard right now. YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the planet. If you're doing SEO and you're not making video, you're leaving traffic on the table. And the biggest reason people skip video, it's a pain to make. This tool removes a lot of that pain. Let's talk about how you'd actually use this if you're trying to grow something like an SEO-focused community, say the AI Profit Boardroom. Say you want a short video that explains what the AI Profit Boardroom teaches people about growing a business with AI automation. Instead of writing a script, finding stock footage, and mixing audio, you type one sentence into MiniMax Design. Something like, make a 15-second video explaining how AI automation helps a business get more leads and more customers. The tool builds a plan, then it builds the video. Script, visuals, and sound all from one line. That's the whole point of this tool. One idea in, one finished video out. And here's a big one for SEO people specifically. This tool can take reference images and turn them into a new video, not just one image, up to 9 images at once. Think about that for a second. You could give it a picture of a person, a picture of a brand color scheme, a picture of a product, a picture of a setting, and more. It blends all 9 into one new video. That means you could keep your brand looking the same across every video you make. Same colors, same style, same vibe. That consistency actually matters for SEO too, because brand consistency builds trust, and trust keeps people clicking on your stuff in search results. All right, quick pause here, about 3 minutes in. One more thing, if you're creating all this content with tools like MiniMax Design, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads and more traffic, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to book a free SEO strategy session and let us help you turn this content into rankings. Okay, back to the tools. So we talked about the 9 image trick. It also works with video and audio references. You can give it a video clip just to show the camera movement you want. You can give it an audio clip just to show the voice or music style you want. Then it builds a brand new scene using all of that as a guide. So picture this. You give it a video of a smooth camera pan. You give it a voice clip in a certain tone. You give it images of your product. It combines all 3 into a totally new video that moves like the first clip, sounds like the second clip, and looks like your product. That's wild when you think about it. Now let's talk about why MiniMax Design is different from just another video generator. It's not just a box where you type a prompt and get a clip. It's built like a full production system with 5 steps. Step 1 is idea intake. You just describe what you want, like a creative brief. The tool figures out what to build from there. Step 2 is the canvas. This is where your script, storyboard, video, and music all live in one place, connected together. So instead of jumping between 5 apps, it's all in one spot. Step 3 is skills and plugins. This is basically a library of ready-made workflows for specific jobs. There are ones built for brand promos, product ads, and more. So if you're making content around something like the AI Profit Boardroom, you could use a promo-style workflow already built for that exact kind of video, instead of starting from a blank page every time. Step 4 connects your local files so it can pull in your own images or footage and save your project files right on your computer too. Step 5 is a review loop. The tool actually checks in with you along the way and does quality checks before it hands you the final video. It's not a black box that disappears and comes back with something random. Here's the bigger SEO angle on all of this. Search engines reward speed and consistency. If you can pump out solid video content every single week instead of once a month because production used to take forever, that's a direct win for your rankings. More content made faster means more chances to show up in search and on YouTube. Now let's zoom out even further because this next part is honestly the most interesting piece. MiniMax Design describes its system as running on multiple AI agents working at the same time. There's a copy agent for writing, an image agent for visuals, a video agent for the actual footage, and an audio agent for sound. These four work in parallel, then everything gets merged into your final video. So instead of you doing every single step by hand, you've basically got a small production team working behind the scenes. Think about what that means for a business trying to grow with SEO and content. Normally you'd need a copywriter, a designer, a video editor, and a sound person all working separately. Here is four agents doing the work together automatically. And here's something else worth knowing. The model behind all of this, H3, was made open source on August 3rd, 2026. That means developers can actually download the model and build with it themselves, not just use it through the MiniMax website. There are already workflows built for a tool called Comfy UI, which developers use to build custom AI pipelines. Now, I want to be straight with you on a couple of things because I only want to tell you the truth here. The online version of H3 can output up to 2K quality, but the open source version you download yourself runs at a lower resolution by default and needs extra processing to hit that higher 2K quality. So don't expect the free download to instantly give you 2K out of the box. Also, the downloadable open source version currently isn't available in a few regions, including the EU, the UK, the US, and South Korea, because of rules around AI generated video. But the online tool itself is still available to use. If you're building something in the SEO or content space, this is worth testing. Try it with something simple first. Describe a video for a product or a video explaining a service, or even a short clip walking someone through what a community like the AI Profit Boardroom offers in terms of AI automation training. See what it builds from just one sentence. Video content is only getting more important for SEO. Google keeps pushing it. YouTube keeps growing. And the businesses that make more content faster are the ones that end up ranking. Tools like this are how you keep up without burning yourself out. All right, that's the video. Before you go, a couple things. If you're completely new to SEO and want to build a solid foundation alongside using AI tools like this one, how content strategy works, how to approach link building, what a good keyword actually looks like, we've got a free SEO course in the description with over 260 lessons. It covers everything you need to get started. Go check that out too. The link is below. And if you want to go deeper on AI automation and how to actually use it to grow a business, that's exactly what we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's built for people who want to learn how to use AI the right way, step by step, alongside a community doing the same thing. Last thing, if you're making all this content, but you're not showing up in search results, that's a traffic problem, not a content problem. That's exactly what my team helps fix. If you want more leads and more traffic, check the link in the comments and description to book a free SEO strategy session. Let us handle the SEO side while you focus on growing your business. Drop a comment and let me know, would you actually use a tool like this for your content? Julian reads every single comment, so let him know what you think. I'll see you in the next video.